Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I've got something super interesting. I found an abandoned PC from 1999. It's Dell Optiplex model GXA. It's been sitting in storage for 22 years, and I'm about to find out if it still works. This thing is a time capsule of the late 90s. Looks like there is no sound card. But before we power this thing up, we need to clean it up a bit. This poor thing's been sitting in storage for over 2 decades. I'm guessing it's pretty dusty in there, and we don't want to risk anything short-circuiting before we even get to see if it works. This model should be equipped with a Pentium II processor and either 64 megabytes or 128 megabytes of RAM. The Dell Optiplex GXA systems are available in the following chassis configurations: low-profile desktop, mid-size desktop, and mini tower. And this model is the low-profile desktop with a super-fast 48-speed CD-ROM. All right, let's see what's going on inside. Ooh, look at that dust. Looks like it's been a while since anyone's given this thing a good cleaning. Wow, there's a ton of dust in here. But let's see what's actually going on under all this grime. Oh wow, CD-ROM is from November 1999. Honestly, I'm surprised it doesn't look worse. But yeah, we've definitely got some serious cleaning to do. This will probably help with performance, or at least stop it from overheating. And what's that? There is supposed to be an integrated sound card, and look at it. There is not even a video card. All we got in 3 empty PCI slots. And what we got on the right? That is a nice chunky heatsink. But it looks like we have a serious issue here. This looks like a Pentium III processor. Oh my God, and it is. This is outrageous. It's supposed to have an older Pentium II processor. And this Pentium III running on 533 megahertz. Actually, this is EB model, which have 256 kilobytes, L, 2 cache, and power consumption of only 14 watts. There is a single RAM stick. This PC should be equipped with 64 or 128 megabytes of RAM. Let's take it out to see what we got in here. Oh wow, we got 256 megabytes of RAM and it's running on 133 megahertz. Well, and what about the hard drive? It's a Seagate Medalist 8420 with 8 gigabytes of storage, and it was released back in 1999. All right, let's do some serious cleaning and try to boot up this thing. All right, now that it's a little cleaner, the big moment. Will it run? Okay, it's booting up. No way. It's actually working. Okay, we have some diskette drive seek failure. Let's see if we can bypass. And yes, no way. It's actually booting into Windows 98. I honestly thought we were going to get a blue screen of death, but it's actually happening. Windows did not detect the mouse, but I did plug the mouse. Listen to the lovely sound of the old hard drive. All right, let's restart the computer and check the BIOS. Wow, there is year 2002. And again, look at it, Pentium III 533 MHz. I was expect far less than this. Good, mouse is working now. Let's see what we got here. Again, it shows Pentium II MMX, but there is Pentium III. So, I would like to have some sound. Should we install some sound card? Lucky me. I've got some old sound card from 1997 and it is a Oriole Vortex model AU8820B2. Let's hope it works for me. Okay, let's install some drivers. Wow, that is super cool. It have a Sound Blaster Pro emulation. That should give me a good sound for the old DOS games. All right, and we have no sound. Let's try to change the speakers. Great, it works now. Perfect. Should we install some games on it? What about the good old Duke 3D? Will it work? Let's find out. Wonderful, that works.
Come get some. Dang, those aliens bastards are gonna pay for shooting up my ride.
Let's change screen settings.
Aliens bastards are gonna pay for shooting up my ride.
Hell yeah, that's much better.
Hail to the king, baby.
Good. The big question is, will Doom launch? On such a high-end PC from 1999? I have some doubts. Let's set up sound card and hope for the best. And yeah, I didn't expect that. That is amazing. That's awesome. I'm so glad it worked out. This Dell PC from 1999 is still going strong after all these years. In a world of rapid tech obsolescence, it stands as a testament to durability and longevity. Despite being over 2 decades old, this classic machine is still in great shape, delivering solid performance with every use. It's a true piece of history, proving that sometimes things built to last really do. If you enjoyed this little time travel adventure, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And hey, let me know which computer you had in 1999. Until then, see you on the next one.